Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to grow your own tomatoes at home? It's easier than you might think. Imagine the joy of biting into a ripe, juicy tomato that you've nurtured from seed to harvest. Not only is it a satisfying experience, but it also reduces food miles, contributing to environmental sustainability. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding hobby that can bring a sense of calm and tranquility to your life. So, are you ready to start your tomato growing journey? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose the right kind of tomato. It's essential to select a variety that thrives in your climate and growing conditions. You can even grow tomatoes from a store-bought one, an enjoyable and pocket-friendly way to start. Once you've chosen your tomato, it's time to get planting. Planting tomato seeds is a simple and rewarding process. Begin by slicing your chosen tomato into quarter-inch thick slices. Next, position these slices on a pot filled with good quality soil. Cover them gently with a thin layer of the same soil, ensuring not to bury them too deep. Once that's done, give them a good drink of water. Remember, not too much, just enough to moisten the soil. There you have it. Your tomato seeds are now planted and ready to grow. Now that your seeds are planted, it's time to wait for them to sprout. While waiting for your tomato seeds to sprout, it's important to take good care of them. Tomato plants thrive with plenty of sunlight, consistent watering, and occasional fertilizing. Be mindful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or hornworms, which can be managed with organic pesticides or beneficial insects. If your plants seem distressed, don't panic. They're resilient and often bounce back with a bit of TLC. With proper care, your tomato plants should start producing delicious tomatoes in a few months. Growing your own tomatoes can be a fun and rewarding hobby. Remember, picking the right tomato, planting the seeds, and caring for your plants are key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!